Hey there, ladies and gents. By the end of this video, you are going to have discovered how to set up your very first Clickbank account for free in order for you to generate an additional stream of income or discover an additional way to promote products online, okay? Now, Clickbank is one of the top rated and top ranked keywords for a number of affiliates and influencers, okay? And you can see why. If we have a look on this video, nearly 650,000 individuals have watched it. That's 623,000 people who are interested in creating some type of additional side income, okay? If we have a little scroll down as well, nearly 250,000 views on this one. Now, what we're going to do is actually go through to Clickbank together and create an account in order to see what type of offers they currently have on the site, okay? So I don't have a Clickbank account currently, most likely like the majority of you. No, it is 100% free to join, so this is not going to cost you anything to get started, okay? The first thing we're going to do on the sign up page, we're going to take a look at some of their marketing material. If we have a look and listen to this.
You're moments away from gaining access to the top internet retailer and affiliate marketplace in the world. We're excited you're here and ready to grow your business with us. For over 22 years, we've been empowering entrepreneurs and online brands just like you to infinitely scale their business through our vast affiliate marketplace and our reliable work automation. So whether you're looking to find and promote top performing products or need help with payment processing and growing your sales through affiliate marketing, you've come to the right place. At Clickbank, we believe in growing your business, not the work, so you can focus on what you do best. Ready to get started? Fill out the form on the right and let's get your Clickbank career underway.
Okay, so that's a nice, short but sweet video in order to get us introduced to the platform. As you heard, 22 years they've been running and pride themselves on being one of the leaders in the affiliate marketing space, okay? Now, as she's mentioned in the video, on the right-hand side is how we're able to sign up. So, quite simply, you have to accept their terms and conditions. Again, this is 100% free. I've literally just filled out the information and now I can join Clickbank. For those of you that are watching that don't know what affiliate marketing is, essentially it allows brands, influencers, anybody with any type of digital product or service to set up a commission structure for additional influencers or advertisers or publishers to promote certain deals or products that they are promoting, okay, that they're creating. So once you get a head start, we'll send you a training on how to be successful with Clickbank. Okay, we'll click on yes, I'm interested in more. So the start of your Clickbank digital marketing journey begins now by completing your account profile. Once your profile is complete, our instant account verification will review your information for approval. Okay, so Rhys. Go for that. All right, continue to dashboard. So now we should be set up in our account. Okay. If we sign back in, okay, so now we're back into the account. Let's take a little look around what we have here. Okay, so I've signed up to the account. It seems a little bit, okay, here we are. So once you have a little bit of a scroll around the account, you're going to be able to see the Clickbank marketplace. As I've just clicked on, So, there's a large number of different categories, as you can see: arts and entertainment as seen on TV, betting systems, health and fitness, green products, home and garden. Now, if we click as seen on TV, okay, so currently none under that to promote. Now, essentially, it's going to be as simple as finding different offers that you'd like to promote, okay? So, for example, on computers and internet, here we have a number of different affiliate platforms that you can promote in order to gain some extra revenue or just grow a side business, okay, without having to have the setup fees or setup costs that the majority of businesses require you to have capital before you even get up and off the ground, okay? So if I click on green products, so we'll look for this one: new hot offer, backyard revolution, 10% conversion rates, solar panels are back with a major kick, okay? So this is going to be one program that we're going to want to promote, okay? Now, if we click on here, you can see the landing page is set up.
Hi, I'm Andy, and today I want to let you in on an amazing solar industry secret. Did you know that conventional solar panels waste anywhere between 85 and 95%?
Okay, so as you can see, he's got a landing page ready for you to use or utilize. I want to see some of these other higher ticket items. Let's have a look at education. So education, $19.99. E-business and marketing. Again, if we have a look. Now, I've got to be honest, there's not really too many programs that I'm seeing currently that I'd like to promote myself. If we have a look here, here's some higher ticket ones. Okay, this is, okay, research, the Godzilla of offers. Okay, so in order to promote any of these, you can earn 75% commissions for every customer you refer to this product. Get started now by creating a hot link, ID tracking. Okay, so I'm not too sure actually what this is. I'll put affiliate account nickname is invalid. Please try again. Not too sure what's going on there, but I hope you're getting to see a little bit of behind the scenes of these offers. So essentially, FIFA, well, these games, the number one gaming product on CB, again, $139.05 to promote. Let's have a look on mobile. So these are quite low converting, low ticket items, but essentially what you're going to want to do if you're looking to create some type of income from this is a simple process that we can get together here. Now, most of the time when these influencers or gurus online are teaching you, they don't actually teach you the fundamentals of needing to have a product that fulfills a solution, having or generating traffic for these offers, which can be very, very difficult indeed. Finding a source of traffic that's reliable and ultimately being profitable on these products, okay? But to keep it, fairly simple, what you're going to want to do again is sign up to Clickbank, which is again free to do. So here we have Click. So Clickbank. Now this costs Again, as you saw, absolutely nothing to join. Now, the second step that you're going to need to do is click or find an offer that you want to promote. Offer. And then what you're going to need to do is use Facebook advertising or Google. But you're going to need traffic to send to these offers, okay? So you need traffic to send here in order to make money, okay? Now, it really is that simple in principle. As you've seen, we've gone over the Clickbank, Clickbank products and offers. Now, again, this is as simple as you can make it. You need to find a product or service that is going to make you a substantial amount of profit in the long term, okay, if you want to use this business model effectively. But it's going to take some time, it's going to take some practice, it's going to take you really finding profitable online niches in order to subscribe to one of these offers and get promoted, okay? But that is a brief overview of how you can get up and running on Clickbank, okay, with creating a free account. I hope you got some value from that. Be sure to click around this video if you are interested in anything to do with digital marketing, online marketing. If any of the following has interested you, then please be sure to subscribe, click the like on the video, and be on the lookout for more content. Peace out.